Hi everyone. In this video let's see how we can upload a file from your local directory to S3 bucket. So this is my S3 bucket and I want to upload a file to this directory. Let's see how we can do this using AWS console. We have to click on the upload button and browse the file in your local directory. I want to upload this test file. Select this and click on upload. The file will be uploaded to S3 bucket. Here we can see. Let's see how we can do same thing in Talend. To upload a file to S3 using Talend, we have to use TS3 put component. We need to have access key, secret key, bucket name, and the location where you want to upload the file, the path of the local file. We can directly give access key and secret key here, or we can create TS3 connection first. Let me create TS3 connection. Here I am gonna give access key and secret key. I just gave my access key and secret key, and let me select my region, that is US standard. Let me put this connection in the pre-job. So whenever we execute the job, first it creates the connection before doing any operation. And let me use this connection in TS3 put. So I selected use existing connection. Now I have to give the bucket name. My bucket name is ETL-developer. This is my bucket name, and I want to give my key. I want to upload my file to this location in the bucket. So that is input test. I have to give input/test. And let me browse my file. So when we run the job, it will upload the file from your local directory. The local file is test1.txt to this directory on the bucket. You have to give the file name as well in the key. Let me run my job. The job ran successfully. Let's see whether the file is uploaded or not. Let's refresh this. You see the file is uploaded to S3. Suppose if you have multiple files and you want to upload all of them together from a single directory, let's see how we can do that as well. We have to use tFileList component to iterate all the files, and we have to use TS3 put to upload each file that we iterate using tFileList. Let me connect with iterate. And I want to browse the directory where my files are. This is my directory. I have 3 files here, so I'm gonna give this directory. and I want to upload each file. Let me pass current file name with path in the file stream. Let me put other directory test1. As I told you, we have to give the file name as well, so I'm gonna get current file name from outline. Since it's a variable, I'm concatenating that with the directory. Let's run the job and see. If you look at here, there are 3 executions finished. That means it iterated for 3 files, uploaded all files to S3. Let's look at S3. Our directory is input. Let me refresh this. Test1. You see, all 3 files are uploaded to AWS S3. This is how we upload a file from your local directory to S3. Thank you for watching.